So that's our work so far. So you can see it grow a lot. I will insert a picture so that you can have a better overview. And these are 33 rounds. From the first gray round, light gray, to the last, these are 33 rounds, also with the arm part. And what we will do now, we will leave these arm parts like this, so we won't touch them. And now we will crochet only the inner part, so the body part. And for this we also crochet half double crochets. So you crochet all the time your half double crochets, and you crochet them until your increasing point. So we have here the last stitch before the increasing point, and then you just skip the arm part and on this side you continue to crochet half double crochets after the increasing point. So you insert your hook through the next stitch after the increasing part. You just continue to crochet half double crochets. Yeah, cat hair everywhere. So, and you see here you have your arm section, and we will leave this open. And then you continue to crochet half double crochets to the next increasing point. So we have here also an arm section, and we crochet until this point. So, and at this point the same, we skip the arm section here and continue to crochet after the increasing stitches. I'll just wait. There is a little mistake. Yep, was applied too much. So yeah, and then you just continue to crochet in rounds. So we separated this section now, and we'll crochet only the body part. So we have now here our inner circle, and we will crochet only this section, and the arms will be open. So we'll crochet the arms later, the sleeves. Sorry, not the arms. Of course you can crochet arms, but we will crochet the sleeves later. You can do them now, but I prefer to do the body part first and then the sleeves. It works better. And of course I will tell you how many rounds I will need for the body part. As I already said, so this is a size for Chris, and it's a 5-ply yarn. It's super thick. It will be super warm. If you may be doing a sweater for a girly sweater or a women's sweater, I would recommend to use only 3-ply. This would be really enough, because 5-ply, so you see this fabric which you have is thicker, and it's really stable. It's fluffy, but it's stable. And if you have a 3-ply crochet fabric, it will look better on a woman's design, or on a woman's body. So I like it more if I'm wearing 3-ply clothes than 5-ply. But he wanted to have a super warm and super cozy winter sweater, so I decided to take 5-ply. I thought about using 6-ply yarn, but I think it would be really too heavy. So then you have so much weight to wear and to wash, and 5-ply is for me the border to say, okay, so for clothes 5-ply is maximum. 6-ply would be great just for things like bags. I think if you crochet or knit bags, 6-ply would be super good. But for me, for a sweater, 5-ply is maximum. So for myself, as I said, I would use 3-ply. Yeah, then we will meet again if the body part is big enough, and then I will show you how many rounds I will need for that. And we will continue with the border. So this is how my work looks like so far. And I have here 50 additional rounds. And now we're going to crochet the border on the bottom. So you can choose any place on your sweater. So this place is actually on the side under the armpit. And now we have also to change the color. So I'm taking the white again, and I will crochet a next half double crochet, but I will finish this one using the new color. So, and then I will finish the half double crochet with white, and then on the back I will just tie a knot. So it's just a simple knot, nothing special. And then you can cut light gray, just leave a little bit for sewing later. And then we're going to use front post double crochets and back post double crochets, and we will alternate all the time between them. So how to do a front post double crochet: you yarn over, then we're going under the next stitch like this. So you go through and you're coming up, then yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook like a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2. You have 2 left. Yarn over and pull through 2. And the back post, for the back post, yarn over, and we're going from behind to the front under the next stitch, and then again to the back like this, and then the double crochet, and again a front post and a back post. And the front post and the back post, and you're doing this for the whole round, and then we'll meet again when you're at this point. So we're now at the beginning again, and as you can see, we have here a front post. This one would be also a front post, so I don't want to have a front post and a front post as neighbors. So I want to have always the alternation between back post and front post. So I will be doing here a decrease. I'm going to crochet a front post under these both stitches to get only one front post. And then all the other stitches during the next rounds will be like this. You have a back post over a back post double crochet, and you have a front post over and front post double crochet, and the back post, whoops, back post over a back post, and a front post over a front post, and a back post and a front post. And you just continue doing this until your border is big enough. So maybe you just want to have 3 rounds, maybe you want to have 20. So it depends what you like most. And then we'll meet again when I'm done the border. So here we are. I crocheted 7 rounds, and now I will just finish the bottom. And for this I'm going to crochet a front post, half double crochet, then a single crochet and a slip stitch. And then we can cut the yarn, then chain 1 and pull the yarn through this chain and tighten, and then you can sew your loose ends. So this way you get a nice edging, and after sewing you won't see it anymore, and you have also no stairs or no steps here. Yeah, and then we can crochet the sleeves.